Some valuable kitchen renovation ideas. In the following content, some great kitchen renovation ideas are discussed. If you're thinking of this home improvement project, then here are some tips which you must consider. Layouts. Kitchen renovation ideas vary based on the type and shape of your space. As an example, the most popular one is an L-shaped kitchen layout. There are virtually numerous layouts that are innovative, for example, a U-shaped layout for small kitchen renovation, the dual L or parallel displays for the larger ones. While upgrading your kitchen, stay back and visualize the best design that would match your room perfectly. When designing, you need to determine the location for your appliances, the fridge, stove, oven and perhaps the microwave. You also need to determine where you plan to install your sink. Keeping these in mind when designing your kitchen will assist you to figure out the remaining aspects of your renovation project. The sink. Your sink is one of the most important aspects of your kitchen. You need to determine based on your plumbing, if you do not wish to relocate your plumbing, where your sinks should be located. You will then need to measure all specs so that you can purchase the right size sink for your kitchen. Sinks that have two basins are quite popular, where one can be used for washing and other for rinsing or another function. When implementing kitchen renovating ideas, you can even think about placing your sink and dishwasher close to one another for your convenience.